Hi everybody, my name is Max, I'm from Casa, Argentina, and today I'm going to show you how to roast a beautiful piece of ribeye. Now, this process is extremely simple and can be applied for the ribeye, the sirloin and the fillet as well. So, today we have a beautiful 100% grass-fed ribeye from Argentina, beautiful marbling, fat in the middle, and it's about 2.5 kilos piece. The beauty of this meat is that because the cows grass freely in the pampas, is plenty of packed of omega-3 and it's extremely tender. So today we're going to cook it medium rare. You can then cook it medium if you wish, but for that you're going to have to set your temperature in the oven for about 180 degrees and you're going to cook it for about an hour and a half depending in the oven. Now this is the process. Season the meat all over with salt and pepper. Then we're going to put it on the pan fry extremely hot. We're going to sear it all over, slices as well, and then we're going to transfer the meat to the oven for again an hour and a half. So once the meat is cooked and it reaches the internal temperature, which it will be about 56 to 58 degrees to achieve a medium rare steak, we are going to remove it from the oven and leave it to rest for about 30 to 40 minutes. And it's even better if we cover it in butcher paper. If you don't have butcher paper, you can use grease paper, but it's extremely important that you leave the meat to rest, because what is going to happen in that time is all the juices that are locked inside and the moisture will go back to the exterior, and that process will make the meat extremely tender.